Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, looks like we have a set of cables, professional customer service. But they don't have an email. Okay. Simplify your life. Set of cables. Alright, so it has a plug here. Is it, can I pull that out? Nope. Does not have a USB-C. This one has two lightnings, micro, and a USB-C. Nice and braided. Has a cable management tie here. Here we go. Nothing too crazy. It's just a cable. It goes through here and breaks off. It's all braided. And that's it. That is it. So, yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.